People with diabetes frequently have high blood sugar or hyperglycemia, but even those without the disease can experience blood sugar increases brought on by the accumulation of glucose in the bloodstream. This is why it's crucial to identify the primary indicators of high blood sugar as soon as possible. However, before we discuss the primary indicators, let's first examine the mechanism that causes them. We obtain the molecule glucose from the food we eat. In order for our organs to work effectively, glucose must enter our cells and be converted into energy. In this situation, insulin is useful. The pancreas secretes this hormone which enables glucose to enter our cells. In the absence of insulin, glucose will simply accumulate in the blood, which can result in catastrophic illnesses like diabetes. So here are the 7 symptoms of high blood sugar. Number 1. Weakened immune system. Due to a weakened immune system, people with high blood sugar levels are more vulnerable to infections. 3 different levels of defense are present in our immune system. Our skin and mucous membranes serve as the first physical barrier. The second is the innate immune system, which responds to any infections that enter the body with a swift, non-specific immune response. The adaptive immune system is the third layer, when an abundance of white blood cells is ready to fight off any viruses and pathogens that might have gotten past the first 2 layers. Diabetes and high blood sugar in particular can impact the nerves and limit blood flow, increasing the body's susceptibility to certain illnesses. Get your blood sugar levels examined if you notice that even the slightest wounds and bruises take longer to heal than usual. Number 2. Weight gain. A prominent indicator that your blood sugar levels are too high is weight gain. Again, having a lot of belly fat due to insulin resistance is not an indicator of having high blood sugar on its own, but if it is present along with other symptoms, you should be cautious. Being overweight may result from living an unhealthy lifestyle that involves eating junk food and staying in bed all day, which can then promote high blood sugar. This indicates that you're supplying your body with far more glucose than it can utilize, resulting in a buildup of glucose in the blood. So be sure to exercise regularly during the day and keep an eye on your weight. Number 3. Constant thirst for water. Blood sugar levels that are too high can cause excessive and ongoing thirst. Your kidneys work overtime to remove the excess glucose in your bloodstream, and as a result, they will continually beg for more water in order to generate more urine and assist your body in eliminating the sugar. Additionally, your body will drain water from your tissues since it is so frantic to get rid of all that sugar, which will make you feel thirsty all day. You should visit a physician to have your blood sugar levels checked if this increased thirst lasts more than a few days. Additionally, excessive thirst may be a precursor to diabetes. Number 4. Fatigue. When blood glucose levels exceed milligrams per deciliter, your body will work hard to remove it. Additionally, because your pancreas is unable to create enough insulin to convert glucose into energy, you will struggle to focus on specific tasks and experience all-day fatigue. This can happen as a result of both blood sugar spikes and diabetic situations. You should see a doctor if the symptoms persist or worsen over time. It might be an indication of diabetes. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 5. Frequent urination. Urinary tract infections, which can cause excessive urine and wake you up in the middle of the night to use the restroom, can occur in people with high blood sugar levels. A need to urinate despite having an empty bladder, and pain or a burning feeling during urination are further symptoms of urinary tract infections. Additionally, they could cause lower abdominal and groin cramps, as well as bloody urine. If you simply have this symptom, you shouldn't worry about having high blood sugar levels because urinary tract infections can have a variety of reasons. Instead, go visit a doctor so they can treat the infection before other problems arise. Number 6. Vision haze. Blurred vision happens when you can't focus your eyes and find it difficult to distinguish minute details in what you're seeing. Naturally, fuzzy vision can also be an indication of myopia. However, when combined with some of the other symptoms mentioned so far, it can also be a sign of high blood sugar levels. Don't dismiss these symptoms because diabetes can also cause more severe visual problems, including retinopathies that can even cause blindness. Number 7. Abdominal pain. Another symptom of non-diabetic hypoglycemia is abdominal pain. Bloating, cramping, nauseousness, and even vomiting can all be brought on by high sugar levels. You should speak with a diabetes specialist if you do not currently have diabetes, but have a family history of the disease and frequently experiencing hyperglycemia. Whether or not you have diabetes can be determined by a quick hemoglobin A1C test. For at-home blood sugar monitoring, you can also purchase a glucose monitoring kit. If 2 or more of these 7 blood sugar levels occur frequently, it may be a sign of diabetes in its early stages. This is why it's crucial to watch out for these 5 diabetes signs. First, tingling and numbness in the hands and feet. Due to the fact that uncontrolled high blood sugar levels can harm the walls of the blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues, diabetes can cause high glucose levels to obstruct the body's normal blood circulation. Additionally, studies have shown that if you cannot control your blood sugar levels, they can harm your nerves, limiting their ability to send signals to all of your extremities. As a result, tingling and numbness may start to appear in your hands. Second, different yeast infections and itching. Yeast infections can also be brought on by an excess of sugar in the blood and urine. This increase in sugar creates an ideal environment for yeast to grow, particularly in the genital areas, but also in the armpits and around the mouth. A 2013 study of women found a significant link between type 1 diabetes and vaginal infections. Since yeast feeds on sugar, if you have high blood sugar, you're more likely to develop yeast infections. Give us a thumbs up and comment down below no tingling and numbness in the hands and feet if you made it this far to support us. Third, there are mood swings. Like estrogen, testosterone, the hunger hormones, and other naturally occurring hormones, insulin regulates the amount of glucose in the blood. However, when insulin is depleted, impaired, or destroyed, the body experiences a hormonal imbalance that can cause mood swings, irritability, or even depression. These hormonal imbalances can also cause cravings for sweets or other unhealthy comfort foods. The good news is that people with diabetes can learn to manage the effects of this disorder, and with proper medication and care, they can lead a long, prosperous, and relatively normal life. So, type 1 diabetes is mostly genetic. It manifests early in life and there's not much you can do about it because your immune system is essentially attacking the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas. Type 2 diabetes is a degenerative disease that develops over time as an effect of a poor diet and lifestyle. Fourth, persistent hunger. When a person has diabetes, their body no longer has the ability to convert glucose into energy because of a lack of insulin. Our digestive system converts the food we eat into glucose, and our pancreas produces a hormone called insulin, which processes glucose and turns it into fuel for our cells and organs. Fifth, dark spots on skin. According to research, about 55% of patients with diabetes experience small brown spots on their skin, especially on their legs. You may also notice dark velvety areas of skin on the back of the neck, armpits, or groin that indicate insulin resistance. These dark skin areas are known as acanthosis nigricans, and they are some of the earliest signs of prediabetes in many people. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below which warning signs of diabetes did you not know and which symptoms do you have. If you want more superfoods and tips, subscribe to the channel. See you next time!